Volvo XC40. Compact, classy, and still worth your money. Once the benchmark for safety and Scandinavian cool, this small SUV now faces a wave of fierce rivals. But in 2026, can it still defend its crown as the safest compact premium choice? Or has it become a nostalgic favorite surviving on its reputation alone? Let's dig into the truth behind the badge. Today we explore why Tier 1 buyers still hold the XC40 close to their hearts. It's not just about style or safety, it's about trust, comfort, and the subtle luxury that feels earned, not exaggerated. We'll break down features, value, and real-life usability to see if Volvo's smallest premium SUV still deserves its place in modern driveways. Here's the snapshot. The XC40 range now includes mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and full electric options, all wrapped in one familiar shape. Prices start in the mid-premium zone, undercutting German rivals while staying above mainstream crossovers. It's the practical middle ground for buyers seeking refinement without stepping into extravagance. Scandinavian minimalism defines the XC40's charm. The design remains clean, geometric, and timeless, steering clear of flashy trends. Its compact stance feels perfect for urban life, yet it never looks small or shy. Every angle whispers quiet confidence, a rare mix of simplicity and strength that feels at home in both city centers and suburban calm. Inside, the XC40 continues Volvo's mastery of user-friendly design. Every button, texture, and storage solution feels intentional. The cabin blends warmth with precision, wool-blend seats, soft-touch panels, and intuitive screens that respond naturally. Space management is clever, making daily errands or long hauls equally effortless for drivers and families. Safety is Volvo's religion, and the XC40 keeps preaching. Advanced driver assist systems monitor blind spots, collisions, and fatigue with calm precision. Airbags and structural reinforcements earn top ratings worldwide. Family buyers trust it because it's predictable. Technology that protects quietly, not theatrically, setting a calm tone in a chaotic traffic world. On the move, the XC40 is composed and deliberate. Around town, it feels agile. On highways, serene. The suspension filters rough pavement with Scandinavian restraint. Never floaty, never harsh. Cabin noise remains impressively muted, making every commute feel a class above its size. It's not a thrill machine, but it's deeply satisfying in daily rhythm. Owning a Volvo has its perks. Service packages are transparent, warranties generous, and resale values solid in safety-conscious markets. Compared to German luxury peers, upkeep is simpler and often cheaper. It's the type of car that rewards long-term ownership, a companion that values consistency more than flash, ideal for grounded professionals and small families. So, who should buy the 2026 Volvo XC40? If you want understated style, world-class safety, and genuine comfort wrapped in Scandinavian cool, it's still a top pick. But if adrenaline or status is your priority, you might look elsewhere. What's your verdict? Timeless value or aging safe bet? Drop your opinion below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives.